Did he howl when he did this?
I'm your furry fun technician, here to fix your disposition. Pouting can be infantile. Time to make that infant smile. Jazz pause.
3D Pagliaccio, sotto amore in franto.
Put 'em up for the spot, put your paws in the air. Hey, you single poodles, y'all better beware. Poodles.
She's the poodle from Pasadena. She makes all the dogs go woof. Makes those cuckoo dogs go woof. She makes me go woof. Yeah, try the kibble.
You have a very show-busy dog.
Fine, Carl. You know Stan's secret. But you don't have any proof.
Avery Jennings, do you honestly think that Carl Fink, you're superior in every way other than racquetball because you somehow managed to dart about the court like a jackrabbit, didn't make recordings of Stan talking?
Well, if you have recordings, why haven't you used them against us?
Because something this big, you wait for exactly the right moment. Hopefully Friday, so I can savor it over the weekend. Toots. Yes, I was here for that, too.
Toots. Is that short for Toodaloo?
Now I farted.
Though this time it was short for Toodaloo. Consider yourselves lucky.